Hi, everyone. I'm Nerijus from Awero organization. We are based in Vilnius, Lithuania, but we function internationally with partners and mostly with partners from cities of learning. And now and today, I would like to share a bit about our platforms, which we co-created with partners over many years. And we promote and use it as a tool for learning and recognition. So I will go through major functionalities and what you can do actually having access to this platform. And access is available on global platform. Any organization can set up an account, any learner can register, and there are no starting costs. So you can use it for exploring what kind of learning opportunities are offered in different places. Right now, I'm showing the global platform, which pulls together all the learning activities from local partners, local cities, and collaboration organizations. I'm coming from Vilnius city, and that's the map of our city. I can go through different options, activities to see what is available. Our platform, it starts in Lithuanian language. That's maybe easier for learners, and we can choose activities depending on where I am, location, or maybe an activity type. And where I love other filters you can apply to find activities available on the platform. There's also a section for skills. The same is on the global platform. You can go and scroll and look for a learning opportunity across the platforms we are partnering with for something you want to learn. Let's try teamwork. Yes, all these different activities can lead to developing teamwork. Some activities are online, some activities are offline. So that's also good to consider. And if it's more offline, often it's available on our partners' sites. And within the project which we are meeting today, the Youth 360, we will be launching a couple of new platforms with our partners in Africa. So that's from Madagascar, Island of Learning, we're still working on, but just giving a bit of a demo that partners across countries in Africa, you will be also joining our Cities of Learning network and have possibility to use it. Now, how does it work? I will start from zooming in into playlist. On the top level of platform, you can find playlist, and it is a organized list of activities by some logic. It can be a theme, it can be a type of activity, it can be something what organizer decides to group playlists. Think of an album which has few tracks to listen to, or YouTube playlists, which is organized by some thematic. So we also think learning can be a bit organized, tailored to specific audience or theme. And I'm showing one of the playlists which is created by Cities of Learning partners to boost the youth leadership skills. It describes why to focus on youth engagement and give some context. And then it moves to specific activities organized by theme of leadership, and people can access content available on the playlist and earn badges as you go. These are the examples of badges. So playlists can contain several activities, and activities can have at least one badge or more. And the content can include also visuals or video content. And if organization seeks for endorsement, then endorsement can be visible also from different organizations. Badges, that's example of how this playlist is organized. There are 5 badges to earn, and if you earn 4 of them, you can get the main badge, which shows that you have completed learning related to leadership development and have some skills and qualifications. You can also decide to have standalone activities, which is not organized in some sort of playlist. I'm showcasing the example from one of our partner organizations in the Netherlands, and they have created a series of activities focused on specific skills, which they consider, and also research proof they are beneficial for employment, for careers, for example, adaptability and resilience, being able to organize and execute. So they offer these activities to young people in their territory with coaching, mentoring, support. And once young people advance, they progress, they learn something, they issue a badge, which shows what kind of learning happened, who was assessing, and so on. Another example, again, coming from our partners in Netherlands, we followed the research done globally about future skills and what kind of future careers young people will have. When we talk about future, it was research done in 2019, then published, and then we picked it up 2021, developed activities along the list of future skills projected to be necessary in 2030. And this skill area, it's called befriended machines. How can we work humans and machines together? And I think nowadays it's really right time, because we know all the developments in AI area. So we need co-work with machines which are capable of something, but maybe lacking some human in input from other sides. And this approach was also featured during Mozilla Festival, where our partners showcase how one can navigate through skills development related to the topic of working with machines. So for example, digital fluency, being able to not only know that there is some technological development or some tool available, but also master it. Could be also looking at future readiness, because it's evolving field. So these skills are available. And as part of the partnership, our partners also worked with VARP VR organization, which was endorsing this activity. So again, connecting with not only that we issue badges to prove some skills, but also have partners which acknowledge value of such skills. Our organization works a lot with training courses and organizing training activities for facilitators, trainers. So we develop badges along the competences, which we allow and support participants to develop and learn. So this is example from activity training course for youth workers on facilitating learning. And this helps to capture what people learn during the activities. We can provide some evidence. We can include proof of some result, achievement. So this is possible by adding evidence to the badge. Whereas, for example, to prove that you're able to design a workshop working in an international team, you will fill in the script template, and then organizers of the course will receive this as evidence and can review, give feedback. And it's also linked with specific skills, which is necessary to have quality workshop designer. That's what I showed. It's available on platform, all these different options and functionalities. Now I would like to show also the part where me as learner, what do I get on the platforms? So this is the view from my perspective as learner. And here I can see activities in which I'm involved, playlists which I either co-created or I joined in, and then all badges which I have earned throughout my experience of using platform and being part of it. And I can show these badges to others by sharing them. Also, one other format which we allow organizers to offer, it's certificates. So any badge can be turned into certificate if it is required. Maybe it's more official, more approved kind of example. So this certificate from training course looks like and is a badge, but also as a certificate which allows to describe learning outcomes and also explain more in details what was done as part of the coursework and activity. And badges, it's a format which we use on a platform to package recognition. Badges are global standards, so it is helpful because it is across the world in different sectors, youth, non-formal education, formal education, companies, and so on. And on our platform, we can get to know badges through some videos, and we have also help articles how to start using the platform and how to access its features. That's a bit of, oh, thank you. So on our platform, there is a help center, which allows you to get to know more about the different functionalities and features of our platform, including also the Open Badges standard, which is global, as I mentioned. There are few suggestions how to make quality badge, what do you include in it, what is important and necessary to mention, and again, depending on the level of formality, how formal the badge you want to issue or get, then that also may depend on the context in which you are using badges. Quite often, we link badges with some skills frameworks, which helps to immediately give vocabulary to learners and earners how to present their learning from your program. So when they get a badge and they prepare for job interview, they can practice a bit using the terminology, which is helpful when you make a good interview. So all these are available on the platform, and we are happy today to give you a chance to know a few more examples of how you can use Citizen of Learning platform and then badges as a tool in your programs.